Hey folks, today we're going to be doing a full walk around on a new trailer that Texas Pride is now manufacturing. Now for years we've built our power tilt trailers in a gooseneck version, but customers have continued to ask us when are we going to offer the same trailer in a bumper pull. Well, we've answered the call, starting with the Texas Pride 14,000 pound bumper pull deck over power tilt trailer. Starting here in front, we have a 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust the hitch height of your trailer to your vehicle to ensure that your trailer rides level while going down the road. And behind the coupler, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam tongue. Every Texas Pride trailer features all required DOT safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch with long-lasting battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. Every trailer comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug. And all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now, built in between the tongue of the trailer, you're going to find a heavy gauge diamond-plated locking toolbox where you can store safety straps, chains, and other equipment. If you decide you want to add a winch at a later time, then you can get the optional winch plate. On the outside of the tongue, you have heavy-duty dual 12,000-pound drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all of our bumper pull power tilts feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. Moving back, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam main frame and an 8-inch I-beam bed frame. The cross members are 3-inch channel on 16-inch centers. Many of the trailers this size use a lighter angle iron for the cross members and place them on wider spacing. This model is available from 25 to 35 feet, and the overall width of the deck is going to be 102 inches wide from outside to outside with 2-inch pressure-treated lumber. The outer deck frame is going to be 6-inch channel with stake pockets and a heavy gauge rub rail for securing your load from any part of the trailer. Underneath the deck is where you're going to find the biggest change on our power tilt trailers. Where there was once a scissor lift has now been replaced by a dual ram hoist to tilt the trailer for easier loading. Each cylinder has a max rated capacity of 10,000 pounds each. There's another feature underneath your deck that's really important when it comes to safety, and that's your safety bar, which you should always have this propped up when you have your trailer at tilt, especially if you need to be underneath your trailer for any reason. On the side of the trailer, you also have a second mounted lockable toolbox. The toolbox houses a high-capacity marine-grade battery, which powers the electric over hydraulic pump and is controlled by a 15-foot power cord. Now, one main feature of our pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in the winter season. Without this feature, your deck can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperatures. Now, on the side of the toolbox, you have an onboard battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button so you can see the status of your battery. Now, if the battery is low, then on the side of the toolbox, you simply lift this flap and plug in a 110 extension cord so you can charge your battery overnight. Note that we use a 5-amp charger rather than a 3.5-amp charger, often used on many other trailers. This means a much faster charge time. For running gear, we have 7,000-pound axles and suspension with all-wheel electric brakes on each axle for maximum stopping power under load. This trailer rolls on 4 16-inch premium radial 10-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the hub's center cap off and fit a grease gun over the Zerks fitting and fill. It's simple and convenient. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel that is recessed in between the tongue of the trailer. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the tapered tail section of the tilt bed. The last 4 feet of the deck usually see a lot of hard use when loading and unloading equipment. So we put heavy gauge diamond plate flooring on the back for longer deck life and better traction. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard on all Texas Pride models. All lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect from accidents and the elements. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than impressive. The process starts with the full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. We appreciate you taking the time to take a look at our 14,000-pound Texas Pride bumper pull deck over power tilt trailer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.